Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. By the end of today's video, you guys are going to learn how to treat trading like a business, the approach, the setups, everything. So I hope you guys all enjoy this. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. For those of you that are new to the channel and you're like, who is this random guy on YouTube? My name is Carter. I'm a full-time swing trader in the stock market, and I have been for over 6 years. And with that being said, we do have an amazing school where I teach people my strategies, my mindset, how I became a trader, pretty much everything. If you want to take swing trading to the next level, it's absolutely fantastic, guys. We got private live streams, we got a group chat, and I believe that traders need to learn how to trade rather than getting alerts and stuff like that. It's awesome. Check it out. And we have a back to school day sale, code school for 50% off. So check it out down below. And guys, let's dive into this here. So when it comes to swing trading, trading in the markets, what is the first thing you guys need if you want to treat it like a business? We've heard that expression for years, but what does that mean? The first thing any successful business has is a trading plan. Now, a trading plan is like a business plan. A business plan is going to break down everything about the business. And as a trader, what you need to really write down is your strategies, your approach, your setups, your risk management skills. All of that stuff is really going to help you as a trader. Tracking your performance, decide how you measure success, whether it's your return on investment, whether it's your win-loss ratio. All of that stuff is going to be very important. Now, let me show you a very simple strategy that I use. It's absolutely fantastic. This is a stock here that we recently called out, and this is ticker symbol FWONK. You guys can see it has this really nice upward trend. Let me actually move myself so you guys can see it a little clearer, but you guys can see it has this really nice upward trend. Right on this trend line, you guys can see it hits it and we get some good buying pressure. Recently sold off and the stock went from $73 to $77. Now, I understand that that is a very small move, but my approach and my business plan is base hits. What that means is I'm not a trader that's going to turn, 20 cents into 100 million. I have very realistic expectations, and personally I would rather take base hits, those 1, 2, 3% returns compounded over a year is what I've seen make a successful swing trader successful. The next thing any successful business has is good software. Good software as a trader could be a good broker. The broker I use is Moomoo. They're awesome. I'll put them down below. You guys can get up to 20 free stock just by signing up. But the reason why having a good broker and good software is incredibly important, because as a trader, your job fully relies on this software. So what that means is if your software is delayed, if it's laggy, you don't understand it, you're gonna lose money. So pick a software and a broker you guys understand. For me, I use Moomoo, and there's a ton of other software out there that offer scanning like Finvez, and all of them is absolutely fantastic. But having reliable technology and pretty much it's going to make sure you have a stable trading career. The next thing any business has is a routine. So for me and my approach, I love scanning stocks at least once a day. Now for me, I'm a full-time trader, so this is what I do. This is what I love and I enjoy. So I will always scan for stocks about 1 to 2 hours every single day. What that entails is going on Finvez, going on Moomoo, seeing if any stock follows my checklist. A checklist is a way where traders need to determine, does this stock fit your strategies? Often, the more stocks you look at, the more stocks won't obviously follow your strategy, but having a checklist ensures you're going to be choosing quality over quantity. So make sure you guys have a solid routine, a solid checklist to be a successful trader here. The next thing here is tracking your financials. So this is going to be tracking your profits, your losses, any expenses related to trading like software, data, and education. More importantly, keep track of your profit for taxes. A lot of people blow it off till the end of the year, and if you're profitable, you guys are going to know you're going to be owing money. So making sure you keep a detailed record of your profit for tax purposes, and that's going to be including profits, losses, and transaction fees. The next thing here any business has is continuous improvement in education. This is very, very, very important. Just like the stock market changes, your strategy is going to change. Your approach is going to change. Your checklist will change. So the biggest thing that I want to see you guys do is just continuous to learn. I believe that every trader is a student, right? I consider myself a student, and I've been doing this 6 years full time. So as a trader, you need to constantly look at the market as a newbie and understand that no matter whether you're a hedge fund or you're a retail investor, we're all buying stocks. So the more education you have, the more you learn, the more you're going to earn. And don't forget, check out our school, code SCHOOL, 50% off. But guys, continuously to invest in your education, attending courses, webinars, and seminars. And guys, do a book, read books, research, networking with trading communities. All that stuff is very, very, very important here. All right. We got two more, guys. We got two more. The second to last one here is review and reflect. For me, I use a trading journal. A trading journal like this here. This is the one I use. It's awesome. I'll put it down below. You guys can get it right on Amazon. But the reason I love this is you can understand what you're doing right, but more importantly, what you're doing wrong, so you can implement that in your strategy so you don't make that mistake twice. So make sure you have a journal where you're constantly writing down your trades, and having a good one here will track your performance, your mindset, your trade breakdown, errors, ways to improve, your setup, describe your setup, and more importantly, having that checklist right included in here. So check it out. I'll put it down below for you guys. The last thing, guys, as a trader, in my opinion, is to have realistic expectations. Having realistic expectations will make your day a lot easier. And the reason I say that is if you're starting out with $100 and you think you can make $100 a day, you're going to be in a world of learning, because you're going to realize it's very, very difficult. Setting realistic profit targets and expectations is an easy way where you can feel confident, understand what's going on, but more importantly, just start making money, right? Understanding, okay, I'm hitting my goals. What am I doing right? What am I doing wrong? So guys, all that stuff is what you need to treat trading like a business. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget, check out our school, code SCHOOL for 50% off, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and take care.